I've done it. All my problems are solved.
Oh, what is it?
What happened?
I came up with what I'm going to be.
Well, who are you going to be?
Not who. What? I'm not even going to be a person anymore. And do you know why?
No, why?
Because no matter what you do, people bother people. And people bothered by people are the unluckiest people. So I'm going to be an animal.
An animal?
Yes.
What kind of animal is Prince Charming going to be?
Well, I'll show you. Excuse me. Get away from me. I want to be a dog so I can be left alone.
Oh, boy, that dog sure seems to like you.
Doggy, you're ruining this for me.
No, but the dog likes you. Isn't that cute?
Well, all right. Forget about being a dog then. I'll be this. Cluck, 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 cluck.
Oh!
What?
Hey, Prince Charming sounds like a chicken. Boy, that's a good chicken sound.
Thank you. Excuse me, little chicken thingy, please hit the road. You're bothering me, and I just want to be left alone. Simple doggy, there. I don't know what he's doing.
Well, why doesn't Prince Charming try being another animal?
Well, good idea. Try this one. Oink, 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 oink.
Look, Ruthie, Prince Charming is being a pig now.
Oink, No, leave me alone, please. Go away, all of you. I just want to be left alone.
Sesame Street has been brought to you today by the letters I and K and by the number 19.
Lucy, Elmer, I have a royal declaration to make.
Hey, do pigs make royal declarations?
That's just it. I can't take this anymore. I'm going back to being Prince Charming.
Oh, good.
Oh, Prince Charming, do come quickly!
Oh dear. Looks like I've got to go save a princess already. All right, come on, animals. Let's go.
Bye, Prince Charming. Bye, pig. Bye, chicken.
Sesame Street is a production of
The Children's Television Workshop.
Bye-bye.
Good morning, Mom and Dad. Good morning, Grandma and Grandpa. And good morning, kids, and welcome.